Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna check out a new AI art generator called imagine.art. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create awesome AI art generator with this text to image tool in this. Also go for image remix in painting. Then there is also some feature in coming soon like expand image and background replace. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this website to create some awesome AI art generator compared to other like Paint Journey, Dali. So guys, at first we're gonna so let's go to sign in. So I have already created. This is the main dashboard after you log in to this website, and for the first time you will get at least 50 credit to spend to generate some images. So there is also a option like light or dark, so you can customize it. So guys, let's see, we're gonna go for the text to image. So I'm gonna go for the text to image. So we have come to this. So now I'm gonna add some prompt to see how this AI art generator really works. So I'm gonna add like so guys, I have just added a prompt like three friends on a magical journey like Harry Potter world, magical ultra HD adventure, something like colorful. Okay. So guys, we can see the other options here, like how many images you want. So for now, I'm gonna go for 4. So in your first free account, you will get only 50 credit. I spent 8 credit already. So remember that. So after that, we're gonna see you can change your aspect ratio. So I'm gonna need something like it needs to upgrade, so I'm gonna go with the one by one. So and here you can choose your model. So there is HD3 turbo, imagine turbo text. So I'm gonna need something like this one. So I'm gonna select this. You can choose any of them. So and here you can choose your art style. So I'm gonna need something like 3D game, euphoric, hologram, so cinematic render. So let's see, I'm gonna go for this one, euphoric. Okay. So let's see guys. So as you can see, to generate images, I'm gonna spend 12 credits. So let's see, I'm gonna hit. So guys, as you can see, it's generating the images. So guys, in your first account, you will get 50 token, and then it will show up some ad to upgrade the account. So I am just showing you the in the free account. So how you can generate this type of images. So so I like this one. Oh my god, this one is really great. So this one is the best. So guys, as you can see, I have just added a prompt like three friends on a magical journey like Harry Potter world, magical ultra HD adventure colorful. And I thought I missed the word ultra. So this is the result you can get from this AI image art. So guys, this is really great, and you will also get option to, so you will get the option to download full view and delete. So I'm gonna download this one. So there is also an option called upscale. You can upscale any of the images. So I like this one also. So I'm gonna download this one. So let's see how the resolution coming. So guys, as you can see, I 1024 into 1024, and so this is the result you can get from this awesome art generate website. So guys, I'm gonna generate something else like a man walking on the moon, a spacecraft, behind him and a background view of Earth. So let's see how this will work. So I'm gonna art. So it will also be Ultra HD adventure. No, it will be Ultra HD cinematic, colorful. So I just added a completely different from a prompt, like a man walking on the moon, a spacecraft behind him, and a background view of Earth. Ultra HD cinematic, colorful. So guys, it will also cost 12 tokens. So as you can see, I have only left in the free account only 30 token. So let's see how this will work. So oh, this is really great, guys. And I almost forget to choose the models and styles. I almost forgot that. And with default setting, it bring me this type of image. So I also added like a spacecraft behind him. So it didn't follow that. So yeah, this one is great in the euphoric style. So you can generate this type of images from euphoric style model P5. So guys, this is really great. So it also generate me some more. So as you can see, you can also check all the images from your. Okay, this one also great, but I'm gonna see something new, like a student starting in the street for his education in the UK, a background view of Big Ben in the background, uh, Big Ben and a UK flag. So guys, I have prompt a completely different prompt, like a student starting in the street for his education in the UK, a background view of Big Ben and a UK flag. So let's see how this will work. And I got only 18 left, so it will also go, cost 12 tokens. So let's see how this will work. I remind you again, so you can change your aspect ratio if you go for the upgrade. So you can choose any of your model, and you can also choose your art style from here. There are a lot of style. So guys, imagine.art is also a great AI image generator as compared to other, like right now Lexica or DALL-E or Binjani AI or Leonardo. So guys, this is the output. I just added like a student studying in the street for his education in the UK, background view of Big Ben. And so this is the result. So let's see what other images. Oh, this one also great. So guys, you can create unlimited. So guys, you can generate unlimited of images from this imagine.art. You can download them, and you can use these images to your social media or for your any project. So guys, this image looking really awesome. So this is really great. So you can check out this website. So uh, remember, you will get only 50 tokens in your first free account. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.